teach phys ed. Here's an overhand throwing activity that we are calling knock it, flip it. So it's a spin off of my flip the hoop activity. So things that we are using with this one, bowling pin, a hula hoop. You can use, I've got like a cush ball or a teddy bear style ball, yarn ball kind of thing. Or you can use a foam coated ball as well. This is the mini play ball. And then we are using Beanie Babies kind of for our point system. You can use anything you got, playing cards, poker chips, whatever you have on hand that you want kids to collect, use it. This normally sits in the center of my gym, so we're just going to kind of wheel that out of the way. Now, sometimes we'll play this game going the opposite direction. So instead of going from baseline to the middle, you can also go from sidelines towards the middle. Now, the idea is to throw the ball and try to knock down the bowling pin. And if you're successful at knocking down the bowling pin, you're going to flip the hoop one time and put the bowling pin back inside the middle of the hoop. Again, we're going through those critical elements on an overhand throw. We also told the kids, even if it's close to you, we still want to look. We're looking for that accuracy with our critical elements. And if you can knock it down. So I didn't knock it down. I would go retrieve my ball, bring it back. Large class sizes, we have students share. You can easily play this one by themselves as well. So let's pretend the bowling pin fell down. I would then stand it back, or flip that hoop one time, stand it back up in the middle, and get my ball and come back to my partner so my partner can go. And we would be taking turns. Once we've knocked that pin down 5 times, that is when we earn a Beanie Baby from the middle, and we reset the hoop to whatever starting distance you want. You may want to put a red dot, or well, we use piece tape. It happens to be red. So we put a piece of tape, a dot or something down so they always know where they're starting from. You can use the lines. When we play going sideline to sideline, we just used our volleyball court line because it's a pretty good distance. You can go a little bit further if you need to. You can adjust how many times they knock down the bowling pins. Let's say you don't have a big space and you can do it 3 times. Hey, have them knock it down 3 times too. That works as well. When all the items have been collected, we determine a winner. We look for a certain Beanie Baby. If there's time, we bring it back to middle and we play again. I hope that your students will enjoy this one. I'm Coach Pirillo reminding you to keep on moving.